another video. It's your girl Arianne Styllz, and from the title you can tell we are back with a hair finesse. Today's unit is looking very effortless, it is looking very classy, and it is from LUVMEHAIR.com. So if you want to see this look put all together, then I suggest that you keep on watching. Okay babes, so we are back with another bomb install. This one is also from LUVMEHAIR.com. As you can see here, I'm adding in some curls to this 14-inch loose curl 5x5 lace closure unit. I'm just going in with my flat iron, but if you have a curling iron, by all means, this will probably give you more beach wave kind of vibe. I'm not the best with a curling iron, so I'm going in with my flat iron like I always do. This unit is so simple to style because the hair holds the curls really well, as it is already a loose curly kind of vibe, so I'm loving that. So once I'm done with adding in my curls, it's just simply for me to plop this baby onto my head, and I'm good to go with my regular glueless install by just using my Got To Be spray or my EBI spray. So now for the install, I've already sectioned off where I wanted the swoops to be. This is much easier when you kind of do this on the mannequin head. You can kind of get it even. So I'm going in with my EBI spray to just lay this bad boy. And yeah, I cannot stress how simple these 5x5 closures really are. Like, they are honestly beginner friendly. This unit already came pre-plucked, it came pre-bleached. I went in to just pluck it a little bit more. As you can see, I almost plucked it a little bit too much. So this goes to show that you really do not need to pluck it anymore. So once I'm done with using my EBI spray, I'm using this band that I got in my package to just lay that down a little bit more. And then once that is done, I'm going to cut the excess lace off, lay these swoops, and then beat my face to the gods, and I'll be right back to show you guys the finished look. Now for the finishing touches, I'm going in with this wide tooth comb. You could also use a Denman brush to kind of loosen up the curls a little bit more. And then honestly, you just play around with setting the curls how you want, so it could frame your face a little bit more. Also, what I would recommend is for you to layer the front of this unit if you can, so that when you curl it, it kind of just lays better towards your face. So that's something that I would personally do. But other than that, this unit is it's ready to go. Like literally, it's ready to go. Everything will be linked in the description box for you guys. I'll have my discount code there as well. So go ahead and pick up this unit, guys. It is amazing. So this takes us to the end of this video. I really hope you guys are liking this simple, effortless closure unit. I am loving it. But what I would say is you could definitely layer the front of this unit so that it will frame your face a lot better. I feel like that's what I will do when I'm reinstalling this unit. But for now, I wanted you guys to see what it's looking like, you know, kind of in its natural state. So this unit is already pre-plucked. It came pre-bleached, but I of course added my final touches to it. So I'm loving this unit. If you are loving it as well, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss an upload, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.